Alright guys, just wrapped up this 2019 F250. This one's got a 4-inch BDS radius arm lift, 37-13-50 Netto Recons, and a 22x12 TIS 547B. With this setup, you do have to move the bumper forward. We moved it forward 3/4 of an inch. We trimmed the lower valence, and we had to trim the back of the fender, the plastic here. Nice shot of the BDS arms. If you're looking for the BDS arms in a little bit more flash, they are doing a limited edition of these arms in silver right now. We've got a couple sets of those on order. If you're interested in those, just give us a call or shoot us a message. Alright guys, that's it for now. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.